everyone. I welcome you all. Maths class 2. Here students, today we'll start a new chapter, that is which one? Multiplication. This is the chapter 5. Okay. See here students, already you learnt addition and subtraction. Yes. So today we'll start multiplication. See students, what is mean by multiplication? Tell me, what is mean by multiplication? Yes, multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition. Repeated addition. So it means repeated addition. Here see students. So multiplication is a repeated addition of similar things. Of similar groups of things. So it is called as, it is also called as production. Also we can call as the product of two numbers itself. Two numbers itself. Okay, yes students, multiplication is a repeated addition of a similar group. So it means, for example, we'll take a ball now. So in another group also we'll take a ball only. See here example, I'll take two balls here, plus we'll take here also two balls. Yes, okay. So here 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here see students, here also I took a ball, here also I took ball. So here 2 balls, here 2 balls. So same things, similar group of things we can be taken. So here 2 into, how many times it repeated here? 2 times. So we can call this one 2 2s are 4. Okay, understood this one? Okay, so this is called as that result we can call as here the product. Understood now students? Okay, so here's the students. So in this multiplication, the properties are there. Properties of multiplication. So which are the properties are there in this multiplication? Yes students, first one property I'll write here. So what they can given here, first one property, multiplying a number by one result in the number itself. Result in the number itself. Yes, see, the first property is multiplying a number by 1, we can get that same number, that number itself only. For example, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 only. Then next one, 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Yes students. So which one? The 1, that is what we can call the multiplying a number. So in 1 we can be taken. So any number we can be multiplied by 1, we can get a number itself only. Okay, any number we can multiply it by 1, we can get a 1, means same number only, number itself only. Understood this one? Okay. So second one, another one property is there. What is that another property? Yes, that is second property, multiplying a number by 0 result in result in 0 only. Yes, see here students, we can be multiply means 0, means we can multiply a number by 0, we can get what we can get? We can get answer is 0 only. Here see, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Yes, 9 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, 10 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so here see, any number we can be multiplied by 0, we can get answer is 0 only. Understood now this one? Any number we can be multiplied by 0, we can get 0 only. Understood? So this is the second property. Okay, understood? Yes. Next we are going as a first example. What they can given here? First example. Yes, see what they can given here. First example. Example first. Okay, so what they can given? 12 children are play a game. How many children are playing here? There are 12 children, they are playing. Okay, so if they are, means if the leader asks the children, what he asked? To form a group of two members. It means in 2 members, 1 group. So they stand like as he told. It means as he told. Here see students. So two members. There are 12 children. No, those are two members, 1 group. The 2 children, 1 group. And next plus 2 children, another group. Plus 2 children, other group, and next one, there are how many children totally? There are 12 children. We make how many groups now here? 6 group. Okay, 2 children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another one. Okay, I'll write here. 2 children. Yes. So how many groups are now here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many children? Two groups are there. Each means in one group there are 2 members. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is how much? 12. There are 12 children are there. Okay. So here see students, we can be do here. What we can do? Here 2 is repeated how many times? 6 times. 2 much time can be repeated here. This can be written as 2 repeated how many times? 6 times it can be repeated. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is repeated 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. I'll write here 2 6 are 12. Understood students? Okay. Another one. So that is they can given here if the leader is tell to them, what he tell to them, you can be make a group. So in one group there are 3 members you stand. He told in one group he will be stand 3 members. So likewise all they are standing in one group. How many members? 3 members. So this is one group plus another group. This is a second group, third group, plus 4 group. So the children are stand like here. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is how much? 9 plus 3 is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are how many groups are here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means in one group 3 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 like. Okay. So totally 12 children. Okay. So here 3 is repeated. Okay. How we can be write here? 3 repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 I'll write here. So 3 fours are how much? Yes, tell me students. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Understood no? Yes. Likewise, if the leader is asked to the children, you can be make 4 members one group. So 4 members one group. So you can stand. What it is? The children is that leader is asked to the students. So his means his friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 students in one group and another group 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also 4 students in one group plus totally how many students? Totally 12 students. Okay. 2, 3, 4 students. So all the 4 students. So here 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So it means the children are standing in a one group for 4 members. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 only. Understood this one? Okay. So this 4 is repeated. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it is repeated. So 4 3s are 12. Understood this one? Okay. Next one we are going as you can understanding how to multiply. So this is a repeated addition. Repeated addition. Multiplication means what? Multiplication is a process. It is a repeated addition. Understood no this one? Okay. So next one we are going as multiplication groups. So how we can be make a multiplication groups? Okay, yes students, multiplication groups. Okay, multiplication groups. So here I'll write groups. Here adding. Here multiplication. Okay, so here we'll write no. Yes, here students, so groups we can be first what we can do here? First we can be do groups. After that groups we will be add and after adding it means repeated of adding no here. So that is we can be write as a multiplication. First one they can given here by square. So there are 6 squares they can be given here and these 6 squares they can be make 2, 2, 2. 3 groups they can be mixed here. So I'll write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. So here 2 is repeated. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it can be repeated. I'll write 2 3s are 6. Okay. Next one they can given here circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here see in one group how many are there here? In one group 5 circles are there. Here also in one group 5 circles are there. So totally how many groups are there here? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. How many are there here? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 are there. So I'll write here 5 is repeated how many times? 1, 2. 2 times. So I'll write 5 2s are 10. Okay. Next one, another examples they can also taken here, circle only. So in circles there are taken 4 groups. In each group there are 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups. So in each group 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. How many times? 4 times. It will become 24. Okay. So here see 6 is repeated. So how many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it repeated. 6 4s are 24. Understood? Yes. Next one, they can be given here rectangle. Okay. 2, 4, 3, 4 in one group. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here see students, in 4 rectangles in one group. How many are there groups now here? 2 groups. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Yes, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So 4 is repeated. How many times repeated? 1, 2. 2 times repeated. 4 2s are 8. Understood? Okay. So next one, the children are standing here. Okay. So 3 children in one group. One group children. Yes. Another group children here. So here another group. Here another one group will be. Totally. Yes. There are 3 groups of children. In each group, how many students are there? 3 students are. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 is repeated 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. Understood this one, students? Okay. So here see, they can given here one example. What they can given here? Example. Okay. See example. So 6 groups by 2. 6 groups of 2. Sorry. 6 groups of 2. Okay. So how many are there here? 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 12. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. So here we can telling us 2 is repeated. How many times it repeated? So 2 is repeated 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. Understood now? Yes. Here see, 2 is, this 2 is, we can call this one multiplicand. Multiplicand. Okay. So this 6 is, no, 6 is called as a multiplier. Multiplier. Okay. So 12 we can call this one. What we can call this one? This is a product. That is product. You know, students, the sign of multiplication is into. Yes, this is the sign of multiplication. Here see, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Understood no? 2 is the multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier and 12 is the product. Understood now this one? Yes. See here, we will see the examples. First one example. Here see students. So there are, how many are there? There are 9 balls are there. In 9 balls we can be make groups. So how many groups we can be make? In one group there are 3 balls. Okay. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Yes, here see, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So how many times here? 3, 3, 3 is equal to 9. So 3 is repeated. How many times here we can be mentioned plus? Here, so repeated time we are mentioned. No, here we will be mentioned into. That is a multiplication sign. 1, 2, 3. 3 times you can get answer is 9. Yes. Second example. Flower will take. So 2 flowers I will make a group. So how many groups will make here? 2 plus 2. 1, 2 plus 2 plus here also 2. Yes, see here students, 2 flowers we will be grouped here. How many flowers are there here? Totally 8 flowers are there. We grouped in one group. There means how many flowers are there? So in one group 2 flowers are there. Like how many groups are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. 2 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Isn't it? Okay. So this is the answer. Another one example we will see here. That is, we will take another example. So I'll take a tree. So totally 6 trees are there. Okay. How many are there? 6 trees. 6 trees are there. 1, 2, 1 group. So these 2 1 group. So here these 2 1 group plus here I'll take 2 trees. 1, 2. So here 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2. Totally how many are there? Totally 6 trees are there. So in 6 trees we will be make a 2 in one group. Okay. How many groups are now here? 1, 2, 3. Yes. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. 2 is repeated. How many times it repeated? So 3 times it repeated. 2 3s are 6. Yes. Understood students? Yes. So I hope you understood this session. So we'll continue tomorrow in the next session of lesson of this session. Okay. Thank you.